Hello everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking stir-fried dry chicken tom yum. So come let's join Aunty. Alright friends, so these are the ingredients needed to cook stir-fried dry chicken tom yum. And of course, these are the chicken. I'm using the chicken thighs. This one already cut into pieces. I have 5 chicken thighs here. In the ingredient, shallot, garlic, lemongrass. This one is Holland onion, ginger, and some chili. So this one I'm gonna pound later on. And of course, with the additional of this one is palm sugar. I'm going to add palm sugar into this chicken tom yum. And of course, I have tom yum paste and light sauce, thick sauce, and oyster sauce. So stay tuned guys. Let's follow Aunty cooking until the end, okay? Alright, I want to marinate the chicken first. This is oyster sauce. I'm using 2 spoons of oyster sauce, Camelite sauce, two spoons, thick sauce, also 2 spoons. That's it. This one we marinate for about half an hour. Stay tuned guys. So these are the pounded ingredients: shallot, garlic, and ginger. Alright, let's do cooking. I add in the cooking oil. Oil is sizzling. Lemongrass. As usual, I add salt to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Continue stir fry until it's aromatic. Smells good already. So we add in the marinated chicken meat. Okay, pour it all. Continue to stir fry. Ajinomoto, 1 teaspoon, and a little bit of salt, about half teaspoon. No need to put too much because already marinated with soy sauce. Okay, let's cover. Stay tuned guys. Alright, turn it. Okay, we add in the tom yum paste. 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon, 4 spoon. We go on as it tastes. I like to add a bit of water so that it's fully cooked. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is palm sugar. to balance the taste. By the way, that's the sound of firecrackers. Alright, I want to add more of the tom yum paste. Just now it's 4 spoon, another 1 more spoon, 5, and then 6 spoon. For better taste. And 1 spoon of sugar. Alright, so this is how the chicken has been cooked. Stir-fried dry chicken tom yum. So these are the juice from the chicken itself. Right. And finally, the final touch, these are the sliced Bombay onion and shallot. This one is to enhance the taste. And some bird eye chili, yeah. Okay. You may add sugar a little bit to balance the taste. Oh, this is yummy. Don't overcook the onion. Right. That's it. Done. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking today. Stir-fried dry chicken tom yum. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.